Did you know that your heart makes a different sound when you lie? Yes, scientists have discovered that your heartbeat changes significantly when you lie. Even if you're trying to hide the truth, the lie detector is built entirely on this principle. Monitoring your heart rate and its changes, when you lie, your body goes into a stress state and your heart starts beating faster. This happens involuntarily. Even investigators use this trick in their interrogations. They look at your pulse, your sweat, and even your voice. Is this the first time you've heard this information? Write in the comments if it surprised you and share it with someone who always says I don't lie. And follow me for more strange facts about your body.